Hello jelly babes, welcome back to my channel. So aren't these the most beautiful nails you've ever seen? Say yes. So I am really excited about this video. I am going to be showing you how I created them right now. So I have applied 2 coats of this dark navy blue polish. It's a GDI gel polish. I will put the name of the polish in the description box, but it's not on, like, the number's not on the bottle, and I just couldn't remember what it is. But yeah, it's a nice polish actually. I don't normally like dark, but I do like this one. And I have gone ahead, because this hasn't got a tacky layer, I've just put like a base coat on because, well, you can use that instead of just keep using your top coats all the time. So this is a new product from Magpie. You probably already guessed, it's Pandora, and it is awesome. It is such a cool little pot of awesomeness. But before we get into that, I am going to be going and applying this absolutely fabulous Chameleon glitter. It's a holographic one and it's called Athena. And obviously you can see here it's like a dark blue, but it is super pretty. And you get tons of it. I think this is a 10-gram bottle, although they have changed their bottle sizes now. They are a bit slimmer. So I'm just going to decant some into this little triangle pot, just so it makes it easier for applying. So like I say, I applied a base coat to this to get the tacky layer. If you're doing this on normal polish, you can apply a foil glue, and that replicates a tacky gel layer. So I haven't sped this up, this is in real time. So I've just gone and done that to all of my nails, and doesn't it just look fab? Sorry about the background noise there. I've got 2 Frenchies that I decided to play fight in the middle of my voiceover. So I am applying a no wipe gel top coat now. That's what you're going to need to be applying the Pandora sort of like chrome dust. But how gorgeous does that look just by itself? It is a really stunning glitter. Like, the top coat really sort of draws out all that holographic deepness and darkness and loveliness. So I am easy there now. This is not a cheap product. It's about £15 for 1 gram, but to be fair, a little goes a long way, so you don't need to use a lot of this at all. So I'm literally just putting a bit on my fingertip. I found that to be the best application that worked best for me. Obviously you can use eyeshadow brushes, you know, pad things like that, but my fingertip was fine. And this was so hard to capture how beautiful it looks. Like, I love the fact that in some lights you can just see that gorgeous pink glow, and then in others you can still see that blue glittery base underneath. So I am going to go, so I've gone ahead, and applied another layer of top coat. So this is kind of like a before and after. So I love the fact that you can still see that blue glitter shining through, but that pink glow is just amazing. So then I'm just wiping off any of the excess dust. You can obviously just go and wash your hands as well to do it that way. So that is the end look, and I will show you sort of outdoor shots and trying to just show you how beautiful this looks. I will be adding some stamping onto this. It'll be part of a Glam nails challenge that I'll be joining for in September. So stay tuned for that. If you want to join, then you can follow Glam Nails Challenge on Instagram. So I tried it over different bases off camera. So this is it over white, which is the first one, then it's over a blue, then it's over a neon pink, and then that one is over black. Then moving on, you've got a Tahiti Chameleon glitter, Azores Chameleon glitter, then you've got Secret and Lie, or Lie and Secret, I can't remember now. Then that's the one that obviously I've done on my own nails. Then you've got Bewitched, which is Chameleon glitter, and Twinkle, which is Chameleon glitter as well. But it does look better over the finer glitters as opposed to the chunkier glitters. So it was so frustrating trying to capture how beautiful this looked in real life, and the weather wasn't helping either. It was really miserable. But like I said, I got a slight glimpse of it in the sunshine, which you saw at the start of the video. But yeah, but it's just got so much like depth to it and so many different looks. You've got the gorgeous pink glow, you've got the glitter, you've got the blue, and I am just in love with it, Jelly Babes. I'm so happy to have it in my collection, even though it is on the bit of a pricier side. But like I say, a little goes a long way and it's going to last. So yeah, awesome. So that is it for today, Jelly Babes. I really hope that you have enjoyed watching this review, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.